If you're in your 20s, you're sitting on the biggest opportunity of your life. But most people waste this time and regret it later. Your 20s can either make you rich or keep you broke forever. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step roadmap to achieve financial freedom, even if you're starting from zero. 1. Build high-income skills. Your income depends on your skills. Focus on digital skills, sales content creation, tech skills. Skills equals income growth. The faster you learn, the faster you earn. 2. Avoid bad spending habits. Most people earn and spend everything. Expensive lifestyle, no savings. That's the trap. Live below your means. 3. Start investing. Early, 4 to 6 minutes. Time is your biggest advantage. Even small investments grow massively over time. Don't wait. Start early. 4. Build multiple income streams. Don't depend on one income. Start side hustle. Online income. Freelancing, more income equals more freedom. 5. Develop a strong mindset. Your mindset controls everything. Discipline, focus, consistency. Without mindset, nothing works. 6. Use time wisely. Time is your biggest asset. Avoid endless scrolling. Time waste. Use time to build your future. Reality, financial freedom is not instant. It takes time, effort, consistency, but it's worth it. If you start in your 20s, you can live freely in your 30s. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start today. Subscribe for more business, money, and success content.